Hello there, how are you doing? Career, career guidance, B.Tech, fire and safety. Frequently asked question. I have been working in the construction field for 3 years after my B.Tech. Now I would like to switch to plant from construction field and therefore would like to pursue MS in the UK. Does that help? Well, let's see. You don't really need any further study to find a plant job. You're already studied enough, all right? And please note that fire and safety professionals are typically required in construction industry and plants, all right? Now, for you to find a plant job, all you need to do is apply for a overseas job because you are qualified. Overseas companies look for relevant experience of years as well as 65 percentage plus marks, all right? So you got as long as you got both, you can find a overseas job in plants. And from the list of countries you can try, New Zealand being easiest and US being the toughest, all right? So apply in that order. And because if you try in UK, you may not get it immediately and it can take time also, all right? But you can still try. So towards your overseas job, you should prepare a standardized profile and a SOP document. SOP document is explained here. So once you've done that, go ahead and apply in every company online. All right, it can take 8 to 9 months to find a job. Okay. On the other hand, if you still want to do higher studies, then go ahead and clear JRE exam. With JRE exam, you just have to pay 10% of the fees for the MS, and the rest is covered by scholarship. If you don't do JRE, then you have to pay 100% fees. It becomes expensive. And when it comes to countries where you can get university admission, New Zealand being easiest compared to US being the toughest. All right. So we've seen the question and we've seen the possible options and way forward. All right. Moving on, relevant videos. Yeah, related videos, whatever. So these are the videos I prepared before. It's available in the playlist, and this talks about how the foreign jobs, how to migrate, what does it take, how to find the recruiters and employers and all that. So it makes sense for you to go to each of these videos and slide to the appropriate segment of the video and just watch the part you need. All right, it helps. So we reached the end of the video. Um, let's wind up here. Disclaimer. All the best.